Hey guys, Stan Dale, President Florida Sun Coast. Hey, try to get this video in before the next rainstorm comes through here. Coming up on a 3-day weekend, Labor Day weekend. A lot of people are going to kick back and just enjoy the weekend, but we've got a couple events going on. On Saturday the 31st, Chris and Margaret up in Port St. Joe. Remember, this event is on the Eastern Daylight Savings Time schedule, but Beamers and Dinner up in Port St. Joe. And then on Tuesday, we're going to go see Jeff Cunningham and all the group up in St. Pete Clearwater area, and going to head out to a really cool restaurant. Check out the calendar and get on that one for Tuesday. Next weekend, wow, do we have a packed weekend? We got 5 events going on next weekend. Next Saturday, we have Cars and Coffee at Sarasota, and then we have the Tioga Town Center Cars and Coffee up in Gainesville. On Sunday, we have Cars and Coffee at Naples. We have breakfast at Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, and then we have another Cars and Coffee up in Gainesville. So a lot of things going on. We have 7 events in 7 days. No, we got 7 events in 7 days. So a lot going on as we're coming into the September month. September is going to be really busy. I'll catch you up on the weeks after that, but you can always check it out on the calendar down below. And I just want to say to everybody, have a great, safe Labor Day weekend. Get to chill out. Coming up in the near future, we're going to see the 3rd annual picnic up at the up there, and go look. I'm brain dead. I just got off a plane, so it's a little crazy. Must have been too little oxygen or something for the brain cells. But go check us out on the calendar, and hey, just know we're planning events right now. I was actually on a meeting called the night before last and last night. We're actually planning things already into February and March of next year. So just a lot of things going on. Check us out on the calendar down below. Look at us on Facebook, Instagram, and check us out. Give us a talk, and we'll see you soon then. Happy Labor Day. See you soon, everybody. Happy motoring. Bye.